Today I want to share a video how to send multiple messages in Telegram with Python. This video is part number 4. With number 1, I already share a video how to set env and how to use it, and video number 2, on the second video, I already share how to get the API hash and API ID. If you want to send Telegram, you have to have API hash and API ID. And the third video, I also share a video how to send single message in Telegram using Python. And the part number 4 is how to send multiple messages in Telegram with Python. Okay, let's start it. I use my previous code. First one, we have to create a file. I call it userid.py. You can name it different, it's free. And then I put user's ID as a list. This is user ID that we have to use to send the Telegram, and then we save it. Okay, we start from here, and then I save it as send multiple messages, because if we already create the session, my session here, so this one is not used anymore. Oh, sorry, this one is not used anymore, so I will delete it. And then inside here I call the list. First I import file, import this one, file user ID, as user ID UI, and then inside here I call it the user ID. This script is only run for calling the user ID inside here. Okay, here we are, the user ID. It's mean this code is working, so we can continue by deleting this one and unmark. It's also unmarked. Okay, and then I change to this. And then we put user ID receiver. Yeah, I change this one, user ID receiver. Yeah, this one is not used anymore. Yeah, I think this script is enough, so we run it. The message is yeah, I changed the message like this. So then we run it. Yeah, it sent 3 times. It's mean we send to 3 person. This is the first receiver, this is the message, and this is the second person, and the message, and this one is the third message. Okay, the second case is if we have a JSON file. Let's say I create JSON file. I name it same as this one, user ID at JSON, JSON file. Inside here I put the name and the ID user. Okay, I put the name and the ID user, and also and then I open the file, JSON file, and load. I name it data. Okay, and then I loop it. Yeah, I declare name and the user ID receiver, and then I put message here. Just cut it and put inside here, and then I put the name, and then this one not used anymore, and also yeah, this one is also not used anymore. This is enough. Okay, we run again. Yeah, something wrong. Okay, send successfully. Yeah, if you see this JSON file, I only put two user ID, this one and this one, and the first name is the John Doe and the second name is Jin Doe. Then we open. Yeah, the message like this. Hi Jen, this is multiple messages from Python, and the second one, hi John Doe, this is multiple messages from Python. Okay, I think this code is working. If you think this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.